Two-factor authentication is available in PetSitter Plus to help keep your business and client data more secure than ever. In this video, we'll show you how it works, how to enable it, and how business owners can choose to make it optional or required for all staff. So, what is two-factor authentication, or 2FA? It's a simple but powerful security feature that adds an extra step to your login process. The usual login process is to simply enter your email and password, but with 2FA switched on, you'll also be required to enter a one-time code sent via your email account. This provides an extra layer of protection, and it's highly recommended for keeping your system data safe. Before we dive into the setup, it's important to note that you have two ways to enable 2FA depending on preference. Option 1 is to enforce 2FA for all staff, so everyone in your team, including staff, admins, and owners, must use 2FA at login. Or if you prefer more flexibility, you can leave 2FA as optional and allow each staff member to choose whether or not to enable it. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. To set up 2FA for all staff for option 1, navigate to the admin menu, select Settings, and then Staff Access. Switch on Enforce Two-Factor Authentication and click Update to save your changes. This then sets your company default, requiring all staff to log in using 2FA. If, however, you'd prefer to use option 2 and give staff the choice, leave the enforcement option switched off. Staff members can then enable it themselves by accessing their own profile page in the staff dashboard. Then select Preferences and toggle on Use Two-Factor Authentication. If they choose to leave it switched off, they can continue with password-only login. Whichever process you adopt using 2FA follows the same steps from here. From the staff login page, after entering your email and password, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit verification code that will be automatically sent to your work email address. Go to your email inbox where you will receive a message from PetSitter Plus containing the one-time code. Copy or make a note of that code. Next, on the login page, paste or enter the code into the confirmation code boxes and click Submit. That's it, you're logged in. From now on, thanks to 2FA, your account is more secure. Enabling 2FA is one of the best ways to protect your business information. It greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, especially if staff use shared or weak passwords. Super, you've now enabled two-factor authentication in PetSitter Plus, giving your business stronger security and adding additional layers of protection to your clients' information. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.